Ongeyo jotelo mag riwruog Azimio la Umoja oseo sirkal mar Kenya Kwanza magiwacho ni chalo ma oketo tenge jokanyo mamoko e chenro mar manyo jakom manyien mano maduol matayo yiere pacho ka IEBC.
Kaotenegi kod jaod bura ma Pokot South David Kosing, jotelogo wacho ni chenro mar manyo jakom mar IEBC nyaka tim e yo ma huyanga mondo jalo ma ibiro mi lemono obed kod nyalo mar bago yiero e yo maratiro kod adieri.
Jotelo gonya kod mgajuang no loso kane gitimo limbe par jaod bura ma Ogunja Opiyo Wandayi mani Sidindie County Masiaya.
Jatend Kenya Kwanza William Ruto kod jatend piny Kenya William Ruto nyosego chapa e oboke moyiedhi mar piny owacho ni chenro mar manyo jakom manyien mar IEBC koro chakore.
Preparing the country for anarchy. So we are telling those people who are in reign of power now, think about the country. And the preparation of anarchy might be prepared by sidelining others in terms of recruiting the chair of the Electoral Commission.
The recruitment of the chairperson of the IEBC is such a serious exercise that must be conducted in a bipartisan manner. It cannot be left to William Ruto alone. Yes, it has to be done in a consultative manner. And as the Azimio la Umoja coalition is a serious stakeholder in this country. We want to see the Right Honorable Raila Odinga being involved. The Right Honorable, the His Excellency Kalonzo Musyoka being involved. Okay? Honorable Gideon Moi being involved. And Honorable Martha Karua plus Uhuru Kenyatta being involved.
Powers just emanating from one corner. Judiciary being controlled from one corner. Police officers, they can disband any unit and create another one. Parliament can be a phone call away. You can imagine if it was in the old constitution, which country will be having.